Hi, Travel Fam! Finally, nakapag-live na din tayo for yesterday. Di po tayo nakapag-live dahil not feeling well po tayo kahapon. So, di po tayo nakapasok. So, ngayon, medyo I'm feeling better now. Although there's still a trace of what's this, colds. So you can hear it, you can easily hear it in my voice. I don't know, maybe because of the weather. It's hot and then it's cold. And then last week for the duration of that 7 days, I've been drinking cold drinks like with ice. So maybe that one also irritates my throat. So after my shift last week, so after my shift last week, I wasn't able to do live already. I feel a little bit irritation in my throat. It's starting to irritate, ang kate-kate, and then it's so itchy, and then I started to sneeze, and then cough. So with that 4 days of my off, I was sick, actually, true. And then for that, I went somewhere else. I went somewhere out there driving with my cousin. We went to La Jolla. I went there to pick up something. That's why we got stuck in traffic, and it's so hot. But the air is so cold, and we're in the mountains, so we didn't use the AC. It's just the air, natural air, and I think